y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings, do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all, if you will, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and definitely hit that notification bell so you know whenever I upload. But I am super excited. Today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the Curate. Now, I could be wrong, but I believe this is a fairly new subscription in general. So I will put a link down below for you guys if you would like to check out Curate. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about it before we dive in. So this is actually a personalized CBD subscription. Now it is $60 a month with free shipping. You can get it obviously a little bit lower if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. But it is it's a personalized CBD monthly subscription. So they deliver individually curated selection of 4 to 5 full-size CBD products. It says CBD is not one size fits all. They start off with an in-depth quiz to understand your wellness needs and taste. They then create your crate and follow up with you at the end of the month to see how you liked each product, so that each crate will just get better and better. They can go from your quiz and then your reviews and just keep building it better and better and tailor it perfectly to you and your needs. And I think that's fantastic. They have new products every month, obviously. Top rated and quality tested CBD products. Helps to improve mood, sleep, and skin health. And it will obviously help to reduce pain, which is important to me because I, if you did not know, have rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and some things. So I am like, yes, please work. And they also do give some educational content. So I think that is amazing. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got in the Curate. So I do want to say thank you so very much to Curate. They did send this to me for review to share with you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, got paper. So, oh, okay, wow, look at this. So when you open it, this is what you see right here. You guys, do you see this card? It says, "Hi, Nikki." So that is awesome. It is definitely personalized. So that is amazing. So, hi, Nikki. We hope you love your crate. We strive to satisfy your curiosity with a diverse range of CBD products tailored to your individual wellness needs and taste. Tell us what you want, what you really, really want. Oh. All right, and it looks like the back actually tells you what's in the crate and actually gives you the full retail value. The retail value of this crate right here is $146.90. That's awesome. All right, so, oh, this is great. Okay, so I actually have a promo code for you guys to get $15 off your first crate, and it is Nikki Johnson. So it is my name. I'll put that down below with the link, so definitely head over and check them out. You can save $15 on your first box. So that is fantastic. All right. So then let's see. It looks like it doesn't tell us the individual price of the items, but here we have another thing that goes over a little bit more in depth about each product. So I do really like that. And then we have, welcome to Curate. Thank you for trusting us as your partner in CBD. We're excited to learn what you love, share our knowledge, and find you the best CBD products month after month. So this goes over how it can help you, certain things, how they work as a company, then how CBD works, and then the benefits of CBD, forms of CBD, finding the right dose, things like that. So that I think is really nice that they have this in here, so you can definitely go through that. But let's go ahead and get into the box and the products and see what I got. So let's see. All right, so this is lemon cannabidiol. I probably butchered that all over the place. 500 milligram serum. This is in mint. The perfect starter tincture. This organic cruelty-free serum is a classic mint flavored with MCT oil and 500 milligrams of CBD. Try it in a tea, on a chocolate, or right under your tongue. For best results, keep the serum under your tongue for 20 to 30 seconds. It says our serum can be taken sublingually, which is under the tongue, topically at the point of pain, which I really like, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and organic. Love all of that. So let's see. So there is that. It has a seal on it, so I'm actually not going to open that right now. But again, this is 500 milligram CBD serum, and this is in mint. So I'm very, very excited to have that. All right, and then we have sour lemon gummy bears. Your adult vitamin is here. These treats have 10 milligrams of CBD per piece with no preservatives, dyes, GMOs, or sugar. This is from Upside Edibles. And hemp-derived sour lemon lime. And there's 30 pieces in here. Again, 10 milligrams a piece. CBD may help soothe inflammation, may help calm the body and mind. And yeah, so it says 1 gummy daily, and you can actually see that they look like little gummy bears up there. Let me take plastic off so you see a little bit better. So yeah, you can see they are, ooh, they kind of smell, all right, you know what, try one. They do have, ooh. At first I'm like, oh, this isn't sour. And at the end it had that little, ooh, okay. They do a little sour. All right, so the next item we've got, oh, might be a little bit better. All right, so we have got, sorry, that was this is from Dr. Norm's. This is chocolate chip therapy CBD cookies. We've had reports of people needing to hide these cookies from themselves. They're that good. Each cookie has 15 milligrams of CBD, and you'll find a generous 10 in each bag. It says Dr. Norm's CBD cookies combine our mom's famous recipe with the healing spirit of our dad, Dr. Norm. Our delectable bite-sized cookies are infused with only pure medical-grade plant extracts. This enables us to deliver powerful and effective medication in a cookie that tastes absolutely amazing. I mean, a cookie that's good for you and helps you, I'm all about it all day long. So there is that. And then we have a Revive Bath Balm. If you, let's see, it's right here. Right there. If you're looking to be replenished, you've come to the right place. This bath bomb blends 25 milligrams of CBD, dead sea salt, citrus, lemon, and spearmint essential oils to soothe, energize, and uplift. And this is by Resilience. There are no synthetic fragrances, dyes, or preservatives. That is really good. So you just fill your bathtub with warm water, drop in the bath bomb, and submerge yourself in pure revitalization. Citrus and spearmint. So you just use it like you would a normal bath bomb. Oh, it smells good. All right, and then it looks like we have one final item here. This is from Plant Blend, Plant Blend, a triple organic threat, pineapple and chamomile plant-based beverage. Chamomile's soothing effect and pineapple's powerful antioxidants are combined with 15 milligrams of CBD to ensure a full relaxation and recovery. Hemp-infused hydration. Full spectrum hemp, pineapple and chamomile. Shake well, refresh yourself. It has 10% juice, 15 milligrams of the active CBD. There's only 50 calories in here. Again, it says shake well, refrigerate after opening, and consume within 7 days. Refresh yourself. To help you unwind and recover, we pair a smooth blend of plants with full spectrum hemp phytonutrients known for their everyday stress relief. So there is that, guys. So that sounds really interesting. And I'm excited to get this in the refrigerator, get it good and cold, and try this. So we have the hemp-infused pineapple and chamomile drink with the CBD. We have the CBD sour lemon lime gummies that are very sour. They're very sweet at first, but they have that kick. We have the citrus and spearmint revive CBD bath bomb. And then we had the 500 milligram CBD serum, the mint flavored for under the tongue, or which they said it could also be applied directly to where you're hurting. Love that. And probably one of my favorites out of here, the chocolate chip therapy cookies, the 15 milligram CBD chocolate chip cookies. So I'm excited to definitely give all of these a try and see if they help, because I'm gonna tell you something, living with the pain and everything, and also right now I think it's a little bit worse. My stress level and anxiety is up because of everything that's going on. So anything I can do to kind of help bring myself to a better place mentally and physically as far as pain wise, I think is fantastic. And I think this is an amazing subscription, and definitely something that people like myself with, you know, autoimmune issues that cause pain daily, I think this is something fantastic, and I'm so excited to have had the opportunity to share this with you, and I hope that you guys can see the value in this. I think it is fantastic. So again, it is $60 a month with free shipping, but I do have that promo code I'll put down below to save you $15 off your first box. For that $60, we got a box worth right at $150. I think that is an amazing value. So let me know what your thoughts are. Did you enjoy this video? Did you enjoy seeing these products? Have you tried any of these products or anything similar? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.